Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I will be showing you best driving test route at Silverwater. I am at Service NSW Silverwater, so I will be guiding you what all challenges you will face that. So please watch this video and practice on this route for 3 times without any mistake, and watch this video for 10 times. Note down all the challenges, and I am sure you will get the test in one go. First of all, the 3 golden rule to pass the driving test in one go. Number 1 is stay calm. Don't get nervous, because if you are nervous you will do some mistakes which will fail you in the driving test. So first rule is you have to stay calm. Second thing is observe. Observe means inside the car and outside the car. So inside the car you have to observe all the mirrors, you keep on monitoring those ones. Speed limit, you have to keep observing that. And outside the car mean observe the road traffic rules, what all road signs are there, just do that. And third thing is follow. So when you observe, you notice something and then you have to follow. For example, if it is a school zone, you have to follow that, and same way other road sign, you have to follow that. If you follow these 3 golden rules, then I'm sure you will get the license in one go. So let's go on this driving test rule, and please see what all challenges you will get on each road. So we have started from River Street in Silverwater. Drive slowly, and speed limit is 50 km here, but still, because you have just started, so keep the speed limit between 30 to 40. And now take left on the Silverwater road. Observe the traffic on the right side. It's a main road, so you have to be observing the traffic on the right side. Don't get nervous, because this will be a busy road, so you have to give way to the traffic on the right side. Once it is all clear, then you can start driving. So keep driving straight. So we will be driving straight from this traffic light. So the left lane is merging, so check the left mirror and also over the shoulder check. So the speed limit is 80. You can drive at 80 on this road, provided the traffic is good and you keep the safe distance between the vehicles. Observing all your mirrors and in between, and also keep a watch on your speedometer also, so that you are not speeding. Keep going straight. And he will be asking you to change the lane, and change the lane now. So give the left indicator, check the middle mirror, left mirror, and the over the shoulder check. Take a left on the Victoria Road. Again, you have to give way to the traffic on the right. Don't park on this pedestrian crossing. So once there is no vehicle on the front, then you have to cross this. Again, stop and see the traffic on the right side. So when there is no traffic, then we can start. And now there is a speed camera, and plus it is a variable speed camera because of the school zone. So check the timing of your test. If it falls in the school zone, then you have to observe 40 km. So take left on the Kirby Street. So this is a little bit tight road, so you have to observe and if any traffic movement, like anybody is getting in or out of the car. Take right on the Gladys Street. Again, check the traffic on the left as well as right. Then here he will ask you to do the curbside parking. So just park on the curbside here, give the left indicator and park on the curbside and put up the parking and put up the handbrake and tell the instructor that you have parked. So he will be happy and then he say let's go. So again, give the right indicator, do the 3-point check and then you start driving. So go straight and you have to give way to the traffic on the left and right. So check the traffic on the left and right, go straight. So this is the school zone coming, so you have to follow the 40 km limit, otherwise you will straight away fail. So take left on the John Street. And it is still a school zone limit here. So when you see school zone limit end, so then you can increase the speed to 50. And we will take left here to the South Street and give way to the right traffic on the roundabout. Keep going straight. Don't cross this double lane in the middle. So you don't need to cross that. Keep going straight. And now you have to take left on this Primrose Avenue. Take left here and take left again on Dorothy Street. So again, this is a quiet street here, so you will be either giving the 3-point turn or the reverse side parking. So if let's do the reverse parking on after this van. So give the indicator, left indicator, and check the 3 mirrors, and then we will do the 3-point reverse parking. And now you can park that. The golden rule is you should be able to see the wheels of the car on the front. So it means then you have parked properly. So just put up the handbrake and tell the instructor that you have parked. So he will tell you that let's go now. So give the right indicator, do the mirrors check and over the shoulder check, and drive now. So drive carefully because this is a very tight road, so you have to drive very carefully. Again, it's a give way sign. You have to check the traffic on the left as well as the right side. When it is all clear, then you go ahead. This road is not busy during the weekdays because people are away to their offices or work. So now you have to take right on the John Street. Check the traffic again. So this is the school zone limit. Again, you have to follow 40 km speed limit. School zone timings are between 8 AM to 9:30 AM and 2:30 PM to 4 PM. If you are giving tests between these times, then you have to follow the school zone time limit. And it's a pedestrian crossing. Slow down, the speed limit should be less than 20. So now here you have to turn right to the Victoria Road. It is a big challenge because you have a traffic on the left as well as the right side. Only go when it is safe to drive. So change the lane. Don't drive in the left lane because that one red lane is a bus lane. So don't drive on that lane, otherwise you will fail. So he will ask you to slightly left, and now you have to, don't go straight, just give a left indicator and left side here, and then keep going straight, and then you have to turn left here. So give the left indicator and take the M4 Silverwater Road. So we are using the ramp to go to the Silverwater Road. Again, it's a big lane, so you have to follow and give the way to the merging traffic on your right side. Don't get nervous. These are the only challenges in this driving test. Give the right indicator and change the lane. Be careful regarding the merging traffic from the left side, and speed limit here is 80 km. So just drive at 80. If you are driving too slow, let's say 50 or 60 on this road, then it also be an issue to fail. So he will ask you to change the lane. So now change the lane, give the right indicator, do the over the soldier check. Keep going straight. On this road, especially the Silverwater Road and Victoria Road, there will be a traffic during the weekdays, so don't get nervous. These are the only challenges, otherwise you won't face any issue, and you can easily get the license in one go. Now you have to take right on the Holker Street. Give the right indicator. Speed limit is 70, but you have to slow down because you are turning right. There is a red light and speed camera here, so you don't get nervous. So keep going straight. And this is a no through road, so he may be asking you to do the 3-point turn here. Then you can do a 3-point turn. Now take left on the Shaft Street. And take left on the River Street. So you are back to the Service NSW Silverwater and you have done the test. So I hope you won't do any mistake. So watch this video and practice on this route at least 3 times without any mistake, and you will get the license in one go. I hope you enjoy this video on driving test route. On my YouTube channel I have other driving test route videos, and please leave your comments if you have any, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Thank you, and good luck for your test.